Alright, YouTube, I'm back. You heard me. I'm back. I'm consistently dropping videos. I'm done being dormant on the YouTube. You hear me? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment. Make sure you follow all my social medias. They're all the same. That boy Zion, you feel me? And today, got a hydro dipping video for you. Most likely it's only gonna be, you know what I'm saying, dudes watching this video probably cause, you know what I'm saying, we like shoes. But today I got these dad shoes, you know what I'm saying, basically like Air Monarchs kinda, but like modern day style, you feel me? And I'm gonna be making them this color, you know what I'm saying, got the tub right here. And yeah, we finna basically just customize these shoes, finna make them mine. Once again, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, connect with me on my social medias, man. Let's get straight to the video.
2 is already started.
Wow, alright. So we have a little technical difficulties here. We don't have a water hose with you. So, you know, you gotta improvise sometimes. Therefore, we're finna use a shower to fill this bucket up. Come with me.
Yo, dumbass. This gonna take forever.
It's really not.
Yes, bro, that speaker finna be weak. What I say? I guess.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh, I thought it came up. It's gonna be a minute, folks.
Yup.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, man, we outside. Took us about, what, 15 minutes? 10?
Not really.
All right, yeah, I'm kind of over-exaggerating. My little ball.
Okay.
So we doing it now, you know what I'm saying? So, first we want to start off. I want to Sorry.
This nigga.
All right, here we go. All right, come on close, man.
Like, I'm coming.
Let me see. All right, so we gonna. Hold on. That was just a little test run. Y'all see? Yes, sir. Alright, then. Hey, put the tops on here so tight.
Nigga.
Y'all need to stop huffing paint.
I don't think that has anything. Wow. Yeah.
Now, this is where it gets creative.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross.
Wow. Ooh.
Then you gotta come back with it though. You gotta.
For the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator.
Hey, bro, on some real shit. Now I know why niggas be sniffing paint.
Oh. All right, here we go, y'all. Oh my fault. I ain't take out the shoes for it.
The mug, that do smell good. I ain't trying to get high nothing, but it smell good.
No. This
Bro.
You have to be 18 to purchase paint.
Nigga, I'm 18. I'm not gonna be huffing paint.
No, you huffing paint.
No, I'm not huffing paint. But that shit did smell like blueberries. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. Okay.
Get it. Here we go.
Wait, when you supposed to put tape on that bitch?
I didn't. I want the whole shoe.
Okay. Hold on now. Oh, what?
Who got these? Nobody. You know why? Because these Z1s. These Z1 dash shoes. Stop playing with me. Yes.
Those are
Dripping like that. You see, I'm dripping. Anyways. Those decent. Those are decent. Those are decent. On to the next shoe. On to the next shoe.
that shit. See how it's white.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on, you got.
Why?
Different. I'm gonna do the shoestrings on this one.
You gonna do the shoestrings?
Shoestrings.
Nigga, the other one don't got shoestrings, so why
That's
do
the point. I'm tacky. You see, I got one hoop, one stud. Yeah, drip. Okay.
Okay, that's just two different earrings.
Now I got two different shoes. Do you?
Yes.
No.
I mean, technically we all
Technically, we all do, but okay.
Oh, he painted his fingernails.
Call me Trippy Red.
Oh, you're goofy ass. Uh-oh.
These low-key far. These low-key far. These low-key. And then look, the tongue. White. Ugh. Yeah. All right. So now, I have custom shoes. Yes, sir. I did that. You assisted, though. You did.
I
Give your props.
I just recorded.
Well,
I mean, I'm a real ass
this is
nigga.
the video. Okay. You gotta do all that in the video.
I mean, I ain't gonna sit here and lie to your people, fam. I just recorded.
Yeah, these are the shoes. Nah, I'm broke. These are my only pair of shoes. I can't wear this with everything. So can you please watch all the ads? Leave a like, subscribe, please. I'm broke. I'm a college student. I had to fill the water up in the shower. But anyways, these are my shoes. It means you're gonna learn, correct? This what you doing? This what you doing? Huh?
Nigga! That low-key was a late-ass reaction,
I ain't
but
gonna lie, we damn it. These are fresh for real. Low-key,
I mean,
low-key,
yeah.
these are fresh.
fresh out of paint.
Why you gotta do me like this?
Because they is fresh out of
Why you
paint.
gotta do me like
I was just being literal. You was using slang. You feel
I
me?
ain't gonna lie, I mess with these for real. Oh yeah.
They gonna have to dry outside.
Subscribe. I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.